accuracy doesn't sound like an issue. You know, we like surprises.
But is it normal to happen? Is it a task? Like, does this really exist or what?
No, for sure.
Okay, so
Like you said, guys, I said it moments ago. I said that stuff will happen, and you're not going to like it necessarily.
Okay.
And then when it happens, your reaction to it, that unconscious, effortless reaction, that's a result of your meaning-making process, it's also unconscious, will either be a charge, negative charge, or a very different reaction comparing to the past when there was charge. So if it happens that it's a charge, not done.
Again, okay.
Let's fix this. Okay? Or you're not charged, you realize you responded differently, a deal, you don't go into this perfection mode and say, yes, but why am I thinking about this? Oh, this is actually a problem. I didn't think this, that's why it's coming back.
This is what's happening, and boundaries are charged.
Hear me, if you do that, you're creating the problem.
Yeah, exactly. I
So
became literally a
I
policeman.
don't want to focus on this because focusing on this means creating it, and you're busy creating it and focusing on it. You know. So,
how can you fix this issue now? This is the problem now.
Well, you stop speaking. And,
Yeah.
and you hear what I'm saying.
Take the mic.
No, wait.